Question is 45 divided by 9 divided by 5. So whenever you get a format like this, like x divided by y divided by z divided by d divided by q, whenever you have a format like this, the first thing you do is keep the first number as it is, change the division signs to multiplication, and then take the reciprocal of all the remaining numbers. So 1 by d, then instead of division, multiply by 1 by z, then multiply by 1 by p, and so on. This is how you solve it in this format. We do the same thing here. So we'll write 45%, change the division to multiplication, and take the reciprocal in 9. So 1 by 9. Change the division to multiplication. 5 becomes 1 by 5. Now, 9 goes into 45 5 times. 5 cancels with 5, leaving 1. So 1 times 1 equals 1. This is the right answer.